Welcome back all. Here I'm going to go through the DraftSight mechanical standards, toolbox components and all. Here I'll go with hardways. In the hardways, all the standard toolbox will be available: screws, nuts and bolts and washers, pins, everything. So here I'll select flathead screws for this particular component, and I'll define as 10 mm size, and here you can just change the views however you want: far view, right view, cross view. So right now the near side view is fine for me. Now if you want, you can define the material thickness so that it can take everything properly. Once you define, you can just place it. You can even change the angle. You can place multiple entities at a time. So this is how this hardware work. Now I just want to add the screws. So let's say here you can define the screw types as well as the advantages here. You can change the standards which you're using and the type, head port and hex cap port and all. Sorry, hex cap screw, and then hex machine screw. So like this you can define. For now, for me, CSK flathead screw is fine. Instead of that, I'll go with the hex port. So the diameter is M10 for me. I'll choose it, and I need the preview, head option, no bearing, let it be, and thread options. If you want with the detail, you can select it. If you want to display the hidden threads and all properly, you select this, display hidden parts. Then I need to define the distance here. You can just select this distance specification and define the distance. It is 67. I'll mention it here. The fastener length should be more than that, so I'll take it around 90. Then this portion will be remaining. I can able to place this washers. You can see the washer will be added, and then washer 2 at the bottom, and then nut. The nut is of M10 and 1.5 pitch. So this is how you can customize your toolbox standard. If you want, you can add one more bolt, so sorry, nut. So right now I don't require it. Uncheck this and I'll click on OK. So once it is ready, you can place it like this, 1 and 2. So this is how the DraftSight mechanical standard toolbox will work. We can able to place the screws, holes and fasteners. Thank you for watching.